So they want this guy in set builder notation. So we're just going to say, we notice that it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of those are integers. So we're going to say that it's the set of all x such that x is an element of the integers. So integers represented by that big Z. And x is between 3 and 9. So 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 9. So, yeah, so x is between 3 and 9. So x is between 3 and 9. This is fancy notation. I don't know if it's too fancy for your class, but it reads like that. So it's the set of all x such that x is an element of the integers and 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 9. So hopefully that's good for that one. And then if we go to the next one, whoopsie. So I'm looking page 547, number 25. And you've got a square that's 4 long by 4 long, and a square inside that. And they want to know the area of this shaded area. Now it's a little tricky because they didn't tell you how it was oriented. You don't really know where this thing is tilted. But it turns out it actually doesn't matter. I'm not going to prove it. You're just going to, if you had to guess, we would guess that if it worked, that maybe it cuts it in half. We are not usually allowed to assume that things cut things in half, but it's okay. So, if this is 4, I'm going to say that this is 2 and this is 2. And same thing here, if this is 4, then this is 2 and that is 2. So if I wanted to get this area, there's a couple of ways to do it. I was going to do it a different way, but I'm looking at it now. What if we broke this up into 2 triangles, a top triangle and a bottom triangle? And we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So if I look at my triangles, the base, this length here is the whole length of that. That's 4 long. And the height of my triangle, I've said, is 2 long. So the area of this top triangle is going to be 1/2 base is 4 times height is 2. So that's, so the top triangle, 1/2 base times height. So half of 4 is 2 times 2 is 4. And then the bottom triangle is actually the same thing. The base is 4, the height is 2. So the total, we just have 2 of the same triangles. So 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 triangles, both with base 4, height 2. So the area, both of the triangles is 4, total area of 8. I like it. Okay, so on to the next guy. And this is on the next page, page 549, number 53. And they have this whole crazy explanation. And all we want to do is focus on the distance from home plate to the wall they're telling us is 310. So the home plate to the wall is 310. And they want us to determine the distance from home plate to the top of the wall. So this is top of the wall. And they want us to figure out this distance. So this is your wall going up. So from the home plate to the wall is 310. And they tell us that the wall is 37 feet tall and perpendicular to the ground. So this is what we're looking for, and once we have the picture, it just becomes Pythagorean Theorem. So we have 310 squared plus 37 squared equals x squared. And if I just punch that in on my calculator, I have 310 squared plus 37 squared. So that's 97469 equals x squared. And if I take the square root of both sides, the square root of 97469 is 312.2. And that's what they want.